Erev Tov Rabotai, we are continuing with our Mishna Yomi, Masechet Nedarim. We are up to Perek Gimel Mishnah Vav. Today's Mishnayot should be Le'elu Nishmat Neria ben Svetlana Aranbai V'Eliyahu ben Burcha Yisrael ben Chana bad Miriam Menuchatam Began Eden Amen Le'avdi ben Chaim Lechaim V'Refuah Shelemav Daniel Shalom ben Rosa B'toch Shah Chulei Yisrael. The general rule is that the words of a neder are defined in the way that people use them, even if that is not the literal or biblical meaning. What we call bindarim, halech achar leshon bnei adam, and nedarim, we follow the language of people. Now, a person making a neder presumably uses the words in the same way that the people of that time and place use them. His words must therefore be interpreted that way, even if it is different from their literal or biblical meaning. And the following Mishnayot illustrate this rule. Hanoder miyodei hayam mutar b'yoshvei yabasha. Someone who makes a neder that prohibits himself to have benefit from seafarers is permitted to have benefit from land dwellers, people who do not regularly travel by sea. In common usage, seafarers refers only to people who ride boats regularly. However, one who prohibits benefit from land dwellers is forbidden to have benefit even from seafarers, because seafarers are included in the term land dwellers since they eventually return to land. In fact, the term land dwellers includes not only seafarers who go on short trips close to land, like those who regularly travel from Akko to Yafa, two ports in Eretz Yisrael are near each other, but even those who regularly travel on large ships from land, since they too must eventually return. Although people who regularly travel from Akko to Yafa, and certainly those who travel farther are included in the term seafarers, they are also called land dwellers, since they also must eventually return. That is in a Mishnah Vav. Mishnah Zayin continues, Hanoder mero'eh chama suraf pasumin. Someone who makes a neder that prohibits himself to have benefit from those who see the sun is forbidden to have benefit even from the blind. Because he was referring not to those who can see, but to those whom the sun sees, meaning upon whom the sun shines, which includes the blind. Had he meant only those with the power of sight and not the blind, he would have said those who see. By adding the sun, it changes the meaning to those upon whom the sun shines, which includes the blind as well as animals. This is how the people of that time and place used the words those who see the sun, excluded our unborn children in their mother's womb, and fish upon whom the sun never shines. That is the Nabotai of today's Mishna Yomi. Baruch Adonai Le'olam. Amen v'amen.